Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Medium for LinkedIn repurposed articles, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Medium website at medium.com. Click on the Get Started button in the top right corner. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have a Medium account, enter your login credentials. If you're creating a new account, choose to sign up with your email, Google, or Facebook. Fill in the required information if creating a new account. Check your email for a verification link if you signed up with your email. Click the verification link to activate your account. Once logged in, navigate to your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select New Story from the drop-down menu. This will open the writing interface where you can begin your article. Copy your LinkedIn article and paste it into the Medium writing editor. Format your article as needed using the available text formatting tools. Add relevant tags that relate to your article at the bottom of the page. Preview your article to ensure everything looks correct. Once you are satisfied, click the Publish button. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm your publication. Click Publish now to make your article live on Medium. Share your newly published Medium article link on your social media platforms, including LinkedIn. You have now successfully registered and published an article on Medium. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.